Getting there slowly but surely. Got a new power cord from Ace Hardware along with the matching plug. So that's what I'll do today. Put that in the radio. Should be pretty straightforward. Wire comes in the back, attaches one end to the top, one end to the bottom. We'll see how easy that is. I got this all done. I thought I had some zip ties, but I don't. I'm just going to put a small one there as a strain relief so just nothing pulls on these wires. Got the new plug now on there, so just going to plug it in and hope it works.
Tenderly, saying to me, do not be afraid. Why? I am the...
Alright, it works with the new cord. That was nothing major, but you never know with these old radios. And the work continues. Another thing I completely forgot about was repairing the speaker. It's a big rip right there. So I get a lot of vibration, so I need to maybe take care of this next too.
Minus 1.
This thing was buzzing. This is all ripped. It's a rip there, all in here. So I'm going to try to use some liquid electric tape. See if that'll be good to use that on little cracks. Well, I have to admit it's about 2 weeks later since I put this stuff on, so it should be all dry. So I put some around the edges. And some around the edges here as well. So now turn it on and hopefully it'll sound a little bit better. Lights are on, good. Turn up the volume.
Lake Norman, WBT's loud and clear on 107.9 FM. News, talk, traffic, weather, sports, live and local. 107.
Cuando te conocí, la 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 la.
Wow, that's a rattle. That was a loud rattle. I hope that doesn't sound like that all the time. That sounded pretty bad. Well, we'll see once I put it in the cabinet. That's going to be next time. I'll put it in the cabinet, put all this in the cabinet, and finally try to get a surround for the glass and put that in, and it's just about done. I just need to buy, like I say, I'm still going to do probably a solid state replacement for the tube, and that's about it. I think we're done. I might buy an old knob for this. I want it to kind of look old. I don't want a brand new one. But that rattle, yeah, that could be really bad. We'll find out next week or next time. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. Just a quick PES. Yeah, the rattle is right here. This part is lifting up, so I'm just going to inject some glue under there and tighten that back up. I think it'll be all right then after that. All right, see you next time.